So if I let my hair down, maybe I can hide this, I don't know what that is in the background, but then if I lean this way and let my hair cover it, then you can see the stroller that's there in the background. I'm telling you guys, like, if you don't have kids, if you decide to have kids, be prepared that your place will always be a mess, like all the time. Hey, what's up y'all? It's me, Jenny here. Today is Quick Tip Monday and I've got a quick tip for you. So for those of you who are experiencing clumpy eyelashes when you apply your mascara, my quick tip is this. When you untwist the wand out of your mascara container, keep twisting it as it comes out, and that ensures that there aren't any clumps on the wand. And there you have it. That is my quick tip for you. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe all down below, or you can catch me on my social media, which is right here. That's at kiss.jennie. That's about kiss.jennie, Jennie with an IE. Or if you want to catch me on my last video, just click right here. Or if you want to subscribe, click on my face right here. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I will see you on my next video. Bye-bye.